Speed, also referred to as amphetamine, is a stimulant drug and is not a natural product. It is concocted in laboratories and is sold in powder form as pills or in capsules. Speed is generally taken by mouth. It goes down the esophagus to the stomach, where it is dissolved in the stomach acid and the amphetamine is released. Here we see the amphetamine molecules enter the capillaries along the intestinal wall, where they are carried away in the bloodstream. They then travel through the large portal vein, which connects the small intestine to the liver. In the liver, some of the amphetamine molecules pass through the capillary walls and enter the liver cells, which contain vast amounts of enzymes. These enzymes break down some of the amphetamine molecules into metabolites. The blood containing the amphetamine molecules and metabolites is then transported back to the heart via the hepatic vein and is then pumped around the rest of the body via the aorta. The amphetamine molecules then arrive in the brain, where they diffuse through the branches of the blood vessels. Taking speed by mouth sees effects within 30 to 45 minutes. The molecules absorb only gradually into the intestines. Taking speed by the mouth results in the longest amount of time before the effects kick in, while snorting and injecting each take less than 5 minutes, with injection being the fastest method. The amphetamine molecules then arrive in the brain, where they diffuse through the branches of the blood vessels. They can easily penetrate the blood vessels in the brain because of their small size, where they can move about with ease. Amphetamine molecules intensify the communication between neurons that work with the neurotransmitters adrenaline and dopamine. The brain's reward system is greatly stimulated by amphetamine, resulting in a joyous feeling which gives a sense of confidence and suppresses hunger and fatigue. Speed also causes hyperactivity and can result in the tightening of muscles, which raises body temperature sharply. Amphetamine also forces your jaw muscles to clench and results in gritting and grinding of teeth. The blood-containing amphetamine molecules are then pumped back to the heart and then around the rest of the body via the aorta. Part of the blood that leaves the heart enters the kidneys, where it diffuses with the amphetamine molecules and metabolites through the branches of the blood vessels. The remaining amphetamine that has not been broken down by the liver is eliminated from the body via the urinary tract. This process repeats until the amphetamine is fully purged from your system. Speed can also be sniffed. Capillaries in the nasal passage absorb the cocaine molecules. They are then pumped down to the heart, where the blood containing the amphetamine molecule is pumped around the rest of the body via the aorta. The amphetamine molecules are then pumped to the brain. This takes 2 to 3 minutes, resulting in a more gradually intensifying high. Finally, speed can also be injected and is dissolved before doing so. Speed is most commonly injected intravenously into a vein. This is dangerous, as most amphetamines are mixed with other substances in order to create the notion of greater quantity.